Hello everyone, welcome to Hometalk. My name's Fiona DeBell from fionadebell.com, and today we are going to be creating a spooky ooky contactless Halloween trick-or-treat wall. Mainly treats, far less tricks. This is an incredibly simple make. I'm literally just going to take some things that I already have at home. I'm actually using a photography backdrop stand here, but you could just as easily use a fence like I have behind me here, or even a hedgerow. And I'm going to I've got this green cloth. You could use a black cloth if you wanted to, any kind of cloth. I'm just going to put that up there with pegs. That's step one done. The next simple step in this contactless Halloween trick-or-treat wall is I've just added some lights, just little battery operated lights. They've got a really cute purple glow to them. So again, just taking my clothes pegs, pop them up on the top of the wall. The next step before we get the candies out is we're just going to use again our pegs to attach these really cute little leaf sets to our wall. And what I love about these is that I think they're really pretty. My daughter's wanted some for ages. But if you've got an actual hedge, you could do this on the actual hedge. Now I'm going to grab my candy. So this is where we simply attach the candy in random formation across our tumbling leaves, using again our pegs so that the kids can easily just grab them and go. Super simple, super easy. And you know what? I'm going to add one finishing touch. Give me a second. Halloween just wouldn't be Halloween without a spooky, ooky skull to keep our children company and remind them that there are tricks as well as treat. He's our tricky guy. I'm going to continue adding all of these, and then let's come back and see how this looks after dark. Woo! So here we go, final reveal. Here is our little wall of trick-or-treat specials. Hope you've enjoyed this very simple, very quick and very easy make. Hopefully you've got all of the items at home in your cupboard right away. My name's Fiona DeBell. I really enjoyed showing you how to put this together. I'll see you next time here on Home Talk.